Chan, and welcome back to some Roblox. So today we're gonna play Rocky's Admin Party NBT Part 5. Yeah. So we're gonna play. Okay. So if I showed it all you gonna sit so right. So guys, so if I showed you all of this, I'm stopping. So this is what I do last time, but it didn't mess up. They did it. That's okay, but I still have, but I still have fun. So yeah. So hope you guys enjoy this. Please leave a like and see you later. Bye.